our channel. If you haven't subscribed my videos, please subscribe. For this experiment, you will need a styrofoam, a balloon, a rubber band, some tape, and a straw. Now we are going to cut the styrofoam into this shape. So we grooved this, and we also cutted this part in the front so the water will flow easily. We are going to take our triangular block and put it here. And now we are going to use our hot glue guns and do this. And do this. Now we have sealed the balloon and the straw. And to make sure it is sealed, we are going to also put a rubber band like this. Now we have sealed the balloon and the straw very tightly. Now make a tilt and put the straw in this groove. See? Now let's take it with hot glue. See? Now our boat is ready to go in the water and float around. That looks so good! For this experiment, you will need a styrofoam, rubber bands, popsicle sticks, and hot glue gun. If you don't have a hot glue gun, you can use normal glue. Now take your hot glue gun and take 2 of the popsicle sticks and stick them on your styrofoam. Now you have to put your hot glue here and here. See the black dots? Now let's put a stick over there. Now turn your boat and then put some hot glue over here. See, I'm putting the hot glue here. Na 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 na. Now let's take another popsicle stick and stick it here like this. See? Now put the grooves in like this. We have to do grooves on 2 of the popsicle sticks. Now you have to put the popsicle sticks together like this. And now we are going to seal it. Now we are going to cut these square styrofoams and stick them over here. See? Like this. Put that there and put that over there. See? Like this. Look. Now we are going to put the rubber band. Like this. See? And like that. Whoopsie. Let's just stick that like that again. One more time. Oh dear. There we go. And there. Now we are going to take our X and our boat. And we are going to put our X in our rubber band and like you're going to put it like this. And now we are going to do Now we are going to turn our X round and round. And then whoosh, let it go. Now our boat is ready to go in the water and swim, swim, swim. So we had to cut the popsicle sticks and we also had to use a hair bow. Now go, girl, we go. Do you know why the boats move? Because of Newton's law. When we blow the balloon, the air releases from the straw. That's why this boat moves forward. That is the same reason for the propeller. Because of the propeller, this boat moves forward as well. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my videos.